Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will accept an appraisal order with condition. Basically, we will see how an appraiser can accept an assignment with a condition. So this is an appraiser where acceptance is needed. If we click on this appraisal order and I overview the details of this appraisal order and the requested due date and see the service fee that I'm providing for this specific appraisal order, view the documents and everything. So I need to accept the appraisal order. So I'm going to accept with conditions. For the condition, first of all, I need to review these terms and condition. And then I have to click on this and then accept and continue. So when I continue the terms and conditions and I accept with I accept with conditions, there are three different cases. The first one that we request due date, request due date extension, request a fee increase, or request both the fee and the due date as well. So we have a separate video for all of these things. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.